Today's video is a trade breakdown on a pound-dollar short that I took live inside the community. I broke it down there. This is a clip that I shared with the entire community for free so that they can learn exactly how I trade. If you're interested in more of these kind of videos, make sure to leave a like and subscribe to the channel. And with that said, let's dive straight in and enjoy. It's going to be very similar to the daily market outlook in the sense that, remember, we have a double bearish fractal structure here on the 4 hour. So first 4 hour fractal break. So a push down, a pullback, second fractal break in towards the downside, which is for me the confirmation that we are then bearish. So obviously we're targeting this area of demand here on the 4 hour because that's just a logical target. For me, it's not logical that the market is going to make some kind of crazy reversal in towards the upside from nothing. It would at least need to pull back in towards this area of demand. So I was waiting for that demand zone to get hit. Then next to that, with the 4 hour being bearish, with the 4 hour also us, let's say, targeting this area of demand, we could also see very beautifully that we pulled back in towards that 618 to absolute perfection, and then pretty much just rejected it with this candle over here. So again, more confirmation that we were bearish. So we had the premium versus discount confirmation, we had the market structure confirmation. Now going in towards the lower time frame, what did we have over there? So looking here at the 15-minute time frame, and again you can go into the daily market outlook from Friday just to confirm that I was actually looking for this. The 15-minute was bearish. This is your swing high, this is your swing low. Okay, so bearish trend down, pullback, bearish trend down. This is just a pullback before then, for example, seeing that next bearish trend down. So we have two liquidity highs in this leg down. This is your, let's say, optimal area of liquidity, and this is the second area of liquidity. Okay, so this is, for example, let's say 70% chance of dropping, and this is, let's say, 90% chance of dropping. But still 70% is enough. I'm not saying that these are the actual numbers, but let's say it's just something like that. So when we took the liquidity above here, if we then again just go into premium versus discount and pretty much all the confluences which we like to use, we can first of all see, okay, so it means that we're in premium, so sells are a good idea. Then next to that, we are, as we can see, grabbing liquidity. So first of all, market structure, bearish. So we have that confirmation. Second of all, liquidity, bearish. Of course, we grab liquidity above the high. So that is confirmation. Then third of all, do we have supply? Yes, because above an area of liquidity, I also see that as an area of supply, especially if we see a bearish reaction like this. Also then again, going just into the 1 hour time frame, you can very clearly see if we draw this from the body to the, and I don't know why the zone is not drawing, but if you draw it from the wick to the body, you can again see, okay, we have supply confirmation with this over here being our liquidity high. So again, enough confirmation for a potential sell, supply and demand wise for me. Then third of all, what are we looking for? We are looking for that potential dump after confirmation that there is actually liquidity where we expected it to be. So that confirmation comes in the form of a change of character, because the change of character and the change in that structure confirms for me that there is actually supply there. So am I then just going to simply sell on, let's say, the first kind of like break retest? No, because again, we still have liquidity over here. So I'm at least waiting for something called a double break, because a double break for me is additional confirmation. And it's just a safer bet when looking for those shorts. And again, I drew this out exactly in the market updates channel. You can check it out. I drew exactly this over here. I was looking for a double break. So what we then got was a double break, because as you guys can see here, we have the first fractal shift in structure. We get a push up in towards this left high over here. We get a push down in towards this wick here. Then we get a push up in towards this high over here. And then boom, the initial break over here. Okay, so that's the first break. Then we form a new low because we push down in towards this low over here. Then what happens? We pull back in towards this high over here. Then again, once we break this low, that is your double break confirmation, and that is then where you can look to take that sell. And as you can see, we take the sell, we place a stop loss, and on my broker it was around 11 pip stop loss. You can place it like this, and then we just target a new lower low here for a 1 to 3 risk to reward. So that is simply how I took GBP USD. I hope you guys enjoyed this short trade breakdown. If you enjoyed this video and you want more of these, leave a like, and I'll see you in the next trade breakdown. Thanks guys.